Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check that your Infinix Hot 9 Play runs a supported Android build and that your carrier offers Volte. Insert the active SIM into SIM1 and turn mobile data on, because Volte uses your data radio differently. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% in case a reboot is needed, and write down the IMEI for support calls. These early checks prevent wasted steps and speed troubleshooting later. You navigate to Settings, then SIM and Network, and tap SIM settings for the active SIM. Select SIM1 and toggle the VoLTE calls or Enhanced 4G LTE option. This routes voice over LTE for clearer calls. If you do not see the option, make sure your APN matches carrier defaults and install any pending system updates, because missing carrier provisioning or outdated firmware often hides the VoLTE toggle. After enabling, restart the phone to apply network profile changes. You finish by verifying VoLTE. Place a test call and look for a VoLTE or HD voice icon. Calls should connect faster and remain on LTE. If VoLTE still fails, your carrier may need to provision the SIM. Try a SIM swap or request activation. As a last resort, reset network settings to clear misconfigured APNs and reboot. One key troubleshooting tip: if calls fall back to 3G, confirm carrier VoLTE is active on your.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.